Welcome to my channel. I'm Way, and this is The Creative Way. First things first, please like, share, and subscribe. Now, on today's episode, I'll be hanging up drywall in my utility closet. Now, this closet to me is considered to be a catch-all room. Now, I've been in my house for 6 years, and I've been throwing things in that room ever since I had the house. Now, the room is not extremely cluttered, and to the point where if I open up the door that things will fall out, but it's just considerably a mess. And I'm in the process of decluttering the room, so I've taken everything out, and so now I feel as though I need to put up sheetrock because the room is unfinished. So you'll be able to see me as I do that, and hopefully it won't take that long. We're looking at less than an hour, so hopefully. Guys, I was a bit overly ambitious on this one. It did take longer than an hour, so forgive me. Oh, now guys, this is something that you can do in your home in an unfinished room or basement, and you can do this to just save you some money, guys, because you know this is a time where we need to be saving money. And just last year, I had some estimates done for my foyer because I had put tile on the wall and I felt as though I need a new look. So I didn't feel like redoing everything, so I had someone to come in to do that for me. But I had a lot of estimates, and the estimates were ridiculous. I mean, for a small area, you would not believe what people were trying to charge me. And I ended up going with the lesser of the estimates. And what I did is I helped that person out by just removing the tile off of my wall and just had them to throw out the sheetrock. Now that worked out for me and it was affordable. But guys, you can imagine just to take down, I mean, I get it, labor and materials that they would need to purchase, but guys, I mean, we need to live too. We need to eat, you know, so but I get it, guys. You know, I get it with the people who have their own businesses. You got to make a living, and I'm not knocking your hustle. So, but in this video, I'm knocking your hustle because we can do it ourselves. All right, all right, guys. I don't want anyone hitting me up trying to fight me about that. But yeah, guys, we can do this. And stay tuned, watch my video, and I'll see you at the end. Guys, so literally after that clip, I fell and busted my tail, and when I did that, I tried to catch my fall and knocked over the camera, flat on its face. But luckily, I had a screen protector, and it didn't do much damage. But the screen protector was cracked. So you could imagine if I didn't have that, what would have happened to my phone. Right here, the wire is in my way. I can't properly put up the sheetrock. So what I would have to do is make some markings to make a cutout for the wire. As I was putting up this sheetrock, I realized that I didn't have proper framing behind it, so I had to create some. It's also important to wear your goggles when you're using a saw to cut wood for framing. Guys, the battery on Mr. Walt died, so I had to use this other drill temporarily. So right now, Mr. Walt is currently recharging. Guys, I found these knee pads at the Dollar Tree, and when I tell you they work like a charm. Right now I'm adding additional framing to the bottom of the wall. Hey, what's up guys? I'm back. Now I'm finishing up this wall. As you can see, I put up some framing because this wall didn't have anything. Alright, so I want to get to it. Stay tuned. And guys, what I did, I scored the drywall in the middle and just folded it in half. So when I do put it up, it'll still be whole. I also cut the drywall up into smaller sections, which makes it easier for me to put up by myself. I'm making a small cut so that this particular piece could fit around the framing on the wall. See guys, I told you it was going to take longer than an hour. We're on day 3. Now, it's only because I took breaks and I had to do a small project in the room. So right now I'm adding the mud to the wall for the joints. And yeah. Guys, I'm not even going to lie to you. This is my least favorite part of the project. I'm just having a terrible time trying to apply this tape and cover it with this joint compound. It just bothers me tremendously. And as you can see, I have some air bubbles or air pockets inside of the tape. So guys, leave a message down below and let me know what's the best technique that you would use for this process. All right, guys. Alright guys, so what do you think? I think it came out okay, and I'm really pleased with my work. And yeah, I'm ready to do more work inside of this room. But guys, this is something that you can do in your unfinished basement or an unfinished room. If you can take notes from me or other YouTubers that are doing the same thing as well, I would encourage you to do it yourself, because doing it yourself could save you tons of money. If you are going to do that, please send in a picture of your finished work to thecreativeway@gmail.com. All right, guys? And until the next video, good vibes only.